So let's learn how to draw a parabola when axis length and double ordinate is given. As you can see in this question, draw a parabola with axis length of 60 mm and double ordinate using rectangle method. So here CD equals to 60 mm and BC equals to 80 mm. That means BC is a double ordinate and CD or AB is a axis length. So let's in first step we should draw a rectangle ABCD. So let's draw a rectangle ABCD in our MathsPad. So we draw a rectangle ABCD. In second step, we divide this rectangle into two equal parts. To do so, first we bisect AD, or if the length of AD is in even, as in this case, which is 80 mm, then we can simply find the midpoint of AD. In this tutorial, I will bisect AD. In step 3, we divide OA and OD into any number of equal parts. In this tutorial, I will be dividing OA and OD into 6 equal parts. However, you can divide it in any number of equal parts. Let's say 8 to 12 or 13 or 14, whatever you like. More the division you make, more smooth construction quality of parabola you can expect. At the same time, more time is also consumed. So you have to optimize the time and quality of the curve. Now we should also divide AB and CD into similar number of equal parts. That means you have to divide AB and CD into six number of equal parts. Now we should draw construction lines from the point of divisions of AB towards CD, and it should be parallel to BC or AD. In this way we can divide CD also into six number of equal parts. We repeat the same concept to divide BX and CX too. Okay, we divided BX and CX also into six number of equal parts. Okay, we did numbering in AB and CD like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. In next step, we join O with the point of divisions, that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, which is in CD and AB. Then we should mark the point of intersections of the line joining 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 in CD with the horizontal lines drawn from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 from OD towards CX. For example, this is the point of intersection of line joining O with 1 in CD and line drawn from 1 towards CX. Similarly, we find other point of intersections. We repeat the same procedure for lower rectangle too to mark point of intersections in the similar way. Finally, we join all these point of intersections to get a parabola. So this is the way we can draw a parabola based on axis length and double ordinate.